In this video, I will show you how to see all your activity history on Facebook. We start on our Facebook main homepage, and to see all our activity history on Facebook, what we have to do first is to go to the top of this main homepage, and among all the icons that appear here, we have to go to the left where these three horizontal lines are displayed. We press on them to open this menu, and now what we have to do is to scroll down until we see the section Settings and Privacy, and we click there. Now, among all the options that appear below, we have to go to the first one, Settings, and we press there to open the Settings and Privacy page. And as you can see, here we are now. After that, we're going to scroll down more and more until we reach this section, Your Activity and Permissions. And here, among all the options that are shown, we're going to enter in the first one, Activity Log, and we press there. Now here in the Activity Log page, to see all our activity history, what we have to do is to enter in the first option labeled Your Facebook Activity. So on its right, we click on this arrow to display all the options. Now we have to go to the second option, Posts, and we click on the button Manage Posts. And now in this page, we will be able to see all our activity history, and that's everything.